What's up everybody? Welcome back to Level Up Classics. Today, we have a quick video for you on how to jack up your BMW E36 M3 and identify your lift points. This video is going to be similar to our lifting an E46 video, but I'm going to demonstrate on our E36. Before we get started, if you haven't, click that subscribe button to help support my channel. As we look at the E36 side skirts, we can see two little circular caps. Under these circular caps are jack pad adapter inserts. If you have jack pad adapters, it's a pretty cool feature to utilize. These jack pad adapters go into the hole so you don't have to roll the floor jack underneath the car. I personally don't have them, but I'll link them at the bottom if you're interested. Today we're going to be using a floor jack. There are many ways to lift these cars, and this is just how I do it, so hopefully this can help you figure out a process that will work best for you. To get the car on jack stands, I'm going to start off in the back. I'm going to lift the back passenger rear first. Underneath the jack pad locations are typically hard rubber jack pads to place the floor jack and jack stands on. However, over time, these rubber pads, they break and they fall out. Mine have fallen out, but you can easily get replacements. After we put the jack stand under the front passenger side, I'm gonna move to the other side and do the same thing. I'm gonna lift from the rear driver's side location with my floor jack and place a jack stand under the front driver's side. Today, my bud Ed's gonna be joining us. He's a guru on E36s, so he's going to be sharing his knowledge with us. Once the front is on jack stands, we're going to move to the rear of the E36 and jack up the car from the rear brace. Here's the rear brace right here. Once we lift the rear, we'll be able to put the jack stands on the two rear locations. Also, make sure your car is level. You can see here that our rear wheels, they're still touching the floor, so we had to come back in this process and we had to raise the jack stands higher so that the car was completely off the ground. Shake your car throughout the process and make sure the car is stable on jack stands prior to working on it. Always keep safety as a top priority. Now that the car is off the ground, make sure that the car is stable on jack stands before you do any of your work. Before you get to work, let me show you the front jack point as well. The front jack point is under the front brace right here. You can see this little circular hole. This is where you lift, and let me show you how the jack goes here. Just like this, you can use this point for lifting and lowering as well. Now that you know everything about lifting up your car, I hope you stay tuned because we have something exciting coming up next. We're going to be installing our brand new BC Coilovers DS series with Swift Spring upgrades. Lastly, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to support my channel. This is not a sponsored video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to keep leveling up.